Hey, tourist!
I want that. In return, you come to my palace. To my palace.
Wow. Epic performance, Billy.
Thank you so much.
Well done. Let's throw it to the judges.
Oh, sorry.
Vanessa, how'd your fellow Taiwanese brother do?
I think he did very well. I really enjoyed how he incorporated everything and the story that he was trying to tell. I don't know, but I mean, I just felt like there was something missing. I'm not sure exactly what just yet, but I did enjoy it. I did like what you were trying to do.
All right, thank you very much, Vanessa. Angoon, how did you like his performance?
Well, you know, it was literally earth, wind, and fire moment with some water. So there wasn't anything that missing. I didn't think so.
Of course, he's missing a shirt. That's what you love about it.
No, exactly. And thank you for not, for actually not keeping your shirt.
Oh God, we're gonna do this all again? Angoon, really? Are we doing this right now?
It was visually very stunning. Very.
Thank you, Angoon. David, visually stunning as well?
You know, this is Asia's Got Talent, and I gotta say, you had 2 minutes, and you gave it everything you had, Billy Boy.
True.
Is it enough to get you to the finals? We'll find out when people start voting.
Very good point. Thank you, David. Melanie.
How interesting, a very, very different performance to the auditions, where you showed such grace and power, but today, power in a completely different way. And what I love about you is how you make it look so easy. Yeah. And that was far from easy. I thought it was wonderful.
Thank you very much, judges. Now, Billy, I've got to ask you, I mean, that was a very emotional and stunning performance, but we hear that you have some very special supporters that came to watch?
Yes. Today I have my teacher, my mother, and my sister. They were here. Would you please say hi to everyone? There they go. And my students. Yeah. They flew all the way from Taiwan to here to support my dance. Like, without their support, there's no Billy Chang on stage for today. Thank you so much for you all.
And thank you very much, Billy, for that performance. Asia, it is all in your hands now. If you want to see Billy Chang dance at our grand final next week, SMS AGT24 to your country's hotline on your screen now. You have until Monday midnight, Standard Singapore and Malaysia time, to cast your vote.
Remember, voting lines open at the end of tonight's show, and you can check our website for all the details.
You can also vote across the region on Facebook or via the Asia's Got Talent app on your smartphone.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please, for Billy Chang!
Hello, this is Anggun. So, if you want to watch more cool videos, don't forget to subscribe to Asia's Got Talent YouTube channel.